With Ukraine's drone army continuing to innovate, less and less equipment placed far behind defensive lines are secure. With GMLRS rocket being able to hit static target, FPV drones have the advantage of targeting moving objects, while being primarily shorter range, but seen 30 to 40 km from the front line. A long-range, low-altitude acquisition radar was targeted by a Ukrainian FPV drone on the move, with the sensitive system catching fire, causing it to burn down, showing how Ukraine's drone army is pushing further and further behind Russia's defensive line, being able to take out everything from infantry to high-value targets, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.